Yo, let's cut the fluff. You've heard the overnight success stories. Spoiler, they're lies. But I just grew a dead channel to 200K views in 7 days. Not luck, just strategy. Here's exactly how I did it and why your next viral video is closer than you think. Step 1. Picking a niche that's already viral. I didn't reinvent the wheel. I stole it. Found a trending niche, SpongeBob fan theories, with millions of views on TikTok and YouTube. Pro tip. Hijack trends, don't create them. Search SpongeBob plus fan theory equals goldmine. If it's working elsewhere, it'll work on YouTube. Step 2. Branding in 15 minutes. No designer needed. Channel name. Bikini bottom stories. Clear, niche specific. Logo. A pineapple. Banner. Ocean waves. Done. Don't overthink it. Your content's the star, not your color palette. Step 3. The secret to viral shorts. I made 2 shorts. Total. Here's why they worked. Hook in 3 seconds. Mr. Krabs' secret ingredient is AI voiceover. Used ElevenLabs to sound like SpongeBob. Free hack. Use CapCut's text-to-speech. Stolen clips. Source scenes from TikTok/YouTube. Fair use, baby. Edited with juicy transitions. Spent 2 hours per short. No fancy intros. Just drama plus nostalgia. Day 1 to 7. The roller coaster, short number 1. 12K views overnight. Subs? 100. Not bad. Short number 2. Krabby Patty's secret hook. Boom. 43K views in 24 hours. Then disaster. YouTube age-restricted my video. Views flatlined. Panic? Nah. Appealed, kept grinding. The harsh truth about viral content: YouTube's algorithm isn't magic. It's math. My second short had 80% watch time, key to virality. Comments equals engagement. Fans debated theories. It's Plankton's tears. USA audience. 50% viewers equals higher, add $. Why this almost failed age restriction slapped me. Lesson. Flag your channel in settings if content's not for kids. Save my bacon. Final punch. Look, growing a channel isn't about luck. It's about stealing trends, optimizing hooks, and outlasting the algorithm. I didn't hit 1M views, but 200K in 7 days. Proof it's possible. Your turn. If you're ready to stop scrolling and start winning, smash subscribe. I'm dropping the exact niches and edits that go viral every week. Next vid, how I fix dead channels in 24 hours. Don't miss it.